Ready to transform your laptop's music collection into a portable soundtrack? First things first, let's get that USB drive prepped. Plug it into your laptop or PC. Windows should detect it automatically if a pop-up appears. Simply close it. We'll manage everything manually. Now, open File Explorer if you're using Windows or Finder on a Mac. You'll see the USB drive listed under this PC or devices. Click on the USB drive to open it. If the drive is new, it'll probably appear empty. We're ready to copy the music to it. Locate the music files you want to transfer. Your music might be in your music folder, iTunes library, or scattered across your hard drive. The folder where you keep yours, make sure your files are in a format like MP3, WAV, or FLAC. That's the golden standard to make sure your files are compatible. If you're unsure, don't worry, the common ones work well. Here comes the simple part. Drag and drop. Select your desired music files, click and hold the mouse button. Drag those selected files over to the window that shows the USB drive and release the mouse button. You have successfully transferred the music files to your flash drive. You'll see a progress bar indicating the file transfer is underway. Make sure the transfer finishes completely before removing the drive. Eject your USB drive properly to avoid any corruption in Windows. Look for the Safely Remove Hardware icon in the system tray, usually near the clock. On a Mac, you can select the USB drive in Finder and click the Eject button. Now, plug that USB drive into your car stereo, speaker, or any other device and enjoy your tunes on the go.